What is a reward ad? A reward ad is a premium ad format where users choose to watch and earn a reward in return. It is the most powerful format in modern advertising because attention is no longer forced, it is earned. AdsBitvex offers two powerful reward ad formats. The first, a full-screen video reward, a vertical, immersive video that plays with sound. Users watch it because they want the reward. The second, a full-screen banner reward, a vibrant creative that grabs attention instantly, perfect for high-impact brand campaigns. Here is how it works. The user taps to opt in. The ad plays full screen with zero distraction. When it ends, they receive their reward. For publishers, this means higher completion, deeper engagement, and maximum CPM. For advertisers, it means real attention, real users, and real results. No skips, no wasted impressions. Reward ads work everywhere: mini apps, mobile sites, Telegram bots, any surface where users value what they earn. This is reward ads. Higher engagement, higher earnings.